Hello everyone, welcome to Dundas Dashboard How-To videos. This video will show you how you can upgrade your dashboard to a newer version, as well as upgrade the related add-ons, plugins, or extra components such as the image creation service. So the first step in this process is to download the deployment center for the version that you are upgrading to. You can do this from the download section of the support site. If you are upgrading to a new major version, then you would also need the license file for that version, which you can get from the licenses tab under your account in the support site. In this example, I'm upgrading from version 4 to version 5, so I have the deployment center for version 5 as well as the related license file. So once you are ready, open the deployment center. So after it opens, click on installation. Here, go to upgrade a dashboard instance. Just a quick note before we proceed. This process is going to upgrade both the dashboard instance and the application databases after creating a backup. After this, the previous instance will no longer be available to you. You'll still have the backups, but the instance itself will not be accessible. If you want to preserve the existing dashboard instance, then go to install a new dashboard instance and use the advanced installation option and choose clone existing databases in the step where you have to choose the application databases option. This will clone your application databases and link them to the new version without affecting the existing instance. One thing to keep in mind is that the upgrading process that you're going to see in this video will upgrade both your add-ons as well as the image creation service, whereas the cloning option will not do this. And you'll have to separately update them by installing them separately from the deployment center. So if you want to use the cloning option, then you can find the installation video on the how-to video section of our support site. You can also get the link in the references section towards the end of this video. So for this example, we're going to proceed with the upgrading of the instance. So click on this link. So it's going to first scan your system for prerequisites which are needed to be installed before proceeding. If you have any missing, then it's going to show a red cross next to the missing one, and you can always download and install them from the system requirements page on our support site. So once you have all the prerequisites, click on next. Here, select the dashboard instance that you want to upgrade, and make sure that you select backup databases option. If you don't check this, then make sure that you have a backup already in place. But I would highly recommend that you keep this option checked. So once you select the instance, click on next. One quick note is that the databases are backed up on the default SQL Server backup location. So accept the license agreement and click on next. So if you have any add-ons or plugins installed, then you can upgrade them in this step. If you want to upgrade all of them at once, then click on check all and click next. So this step will let you upgrade the image creation service. You can also remove the service from here. Also, you can ignore this step right now and upgrade the service later on, but I would highly recommend that you upgrade it within this process itself. So once you select the upgrade option, validate the ICS credentials. This is the identity that the ICS runs on. In this step, select the upgrading of the mobile web service and click on next. So here you can see the review of the upgrade details. I would recommend that you take a printout of this information for future reference. And once you're all set, click on upgrade. Select yes. So once the upgrade process is complete, click on finish. And once you do that, this is the installation summary. You can go through the README file or go through the installation logs. In case there was a failure, there will be a red cross next to the step that failed, and you can see the related log to see the cause of the issue. So since this was successful, click on the link to navigate to the dashboard. So once the dashboard opens, you can see that it has successfully upgraded to version 5. So to install the license file, navigate to the installation folder of your dashboard instance, then click on the Tools folder and the License Installer folder, and then open the License Installer application. So once it opens up, browse to the license file that you want to install. Click on Open, set the destination path type to dashboard instance, and then select the instance to which the license file will be installed. The Restart Dundas Dashboard Application checkbox will make sure that the IIS application pool related to the dashboard instance will be restarted automatically. If this is not checked, then you'll have to do that manually from the IIS manager. So once you're all set, click on Install. Click on Yes to override the existing license file, but before doing this, I'd recommend that you create a backup of the existing license file. So once you do that, click on Yes, accept the terms, and click on OK. So once the license is successfully installed, you'll see the following result, and click on OK to complete the process. So to check whether the license has been successfully installed, refresh the dashboard instance or re-navigate to it from the browser. So once you refresh the browser, the full license will take effect, and as you can see, the limitation for the expiry date is no longer present, which means that the dashboard has been successfully upgraded to version 5 from version 4. You can get more information on the upgrading process from our support site using the links that you see on your screen. The system requirements page will give you the details on the hardware and software requirements on the servers and the client machines, along with the download links to all the prerequisites that you can download if you are missing any one of them. The upgrading guide will give you the information on how to get started with the upgrading process, as well as how to get the license file, along with providing any additional notes associated with the upgrade. The upgrade installation page will give you the details on the process we saw in this video. If you're looking for the cloning option, then follow the steps in the installation how-to video and choose clone existing databases. And if you're looking for details on how to install a license file, then watch the license installation how-to video. So if you have any questions, feel free to visit our support site at support.dundas.com or contact Dundas support at the contact information shown on your screen. So thank you for watching.